So here we have the GooLoo GP4000. This is a 4000 amp peak car battery jump starter. This will be able to jump all gas cars, 10-liter diesels, and it will give you 60 starts per charge, and the average start time for starting a car is 3 seconds. Not only is it a jump starter, it can give 6 charges to an iPhone 15, 4.5 charges to a Galaxy S20, and it will give you 2.5 charges of an iPad mini. So all around performance and flexibility for the family. It has a built-in super bright LED flashlight that can be on for up to 96 hours, giving you plenty of light. It has a normal, strobe, and SOS pattern for those emergencies. The metal clamps are sturdy and strong, giving you that reliability and clamping power that you need. So you have an in and out Type-C USB port, output of 5 volts, 2.1 volts, a quick charging output USB, and the LED light, an easy LED indicator showing you the power level of the charger, and a big power button so there's no confusion on how to turn it on and off. So do not fear using this, because jumping a battery can be intimidating. It comes with built-in 10 different types of built-in protection, alleviating concerns about misuse and sparks. So feel safe while using the product. The only maintenance that's left to do is charge it every 2 to 3 months to maintain its full charging capacity. And it's as simple as that, and it's a great option for every car in your family.